it's Adif, and today welcome back into some more Roblox. And today we are gonna playing some more Roblox Lifting Simulator. Before we start, if you guys believe in me, please smash that like button and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. So let's start the video. But it's the saddest day of my life. My brother has to make a new account because someone hacked his account. His name is dark_shadow SNO. Yeah. So, guys, I'm gonna be showing you a new bolt glitch. But I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make it. First,
off cameras, we do this glitch, right?
yeah.
Cameras.
First you have to do like this, guys, and then you have to pick a gold if you have,
Yes.
or if you don't have a gold, you can use.
We comment this from Xerif.
Yeah. If you don't have a gold, you can use this block. It also works too. Wait, what is it over there?
This is Otoris job.
Also, you can use this block. I don't know what it's called, but we will find out when I am 21 years old. Excuse me, bro. You can also use gold and make sure you have hinge.
And off cameras, how did you get scammed by Roblox?
Yeah, I give him my pet. I don't know. I do not remember my pet at all. It's called Baby Boo the Panda. It's called Panda.
I give it back. I'm not a scammer. And then he checked in his backpack. He's gone. Like gone.
Do not do. And then you guys have to do it first person. And
But
then
don't worry.
and
My friend's got a rideable panda. I can have it and give it to you.
yeah, but guys, but Aish brother, can you stay over? I'm gonna show the YouTube video how this works. So you have to do like this, and then
Jetpack.
wait. If you have a friend want to ride too, you have to with a chair. You need a chair.
Your head.
If you guys have a friend also, you need a jetpack because in case he always fall. So I put a jetpack. Okay, let's go. You see, guys, this also works with this block.
Helicopter.
Yeah, it's like a helicopter, but you also can use gold. So this is easy grind gold because you can use this hack to get so much gold. Look how much gold I have. I just grind one day. I got 3,000, and then I need to jump up. When I say jump, you have to jump, guys. And then you have to, and my brother have to jump. But you wonder why if we like this, you have to click on the glue, and then we click other glue, and then we fall, and then we can go to the chest. But sorry, but
I'm gonna go back. Bye.
it's so easy to get gold. I grind one day and I get 3,000 gold. I'm trying hack really hard. Please subscribe to my channel and
I'm
my
gonna buy the legendary chest.
yeah. Please subscribe to my brother's channel because he has like 9 subscribers or 10, 11. Please subscribe. It's so sad.
Yes,
I have TikTok too. watch my TikTok. My TikTok name is, you know, Hadith Master, same like my YouTube. Not Hadith Master, but its name is Hadith Master. Because my name is Hadith Master, but subscribe to my brother's channel. So let's start. But also I cool mail because I don't know, but I use the gold because gold is better because it doesn't break so fast. Wait, glue, and then you have, if you out alone, just do it like this. It's easier. Guys, do not use this chair. You're gonna fall, and then you can use this chair, but it's gonna go crazy with this chair. It's gonna like spinning. What, brother?
And guys, do not use these hacks. Just play the actual. Do not do these hacks. You can get damn like me.
No, we can always use this hack. It's for grind the gold, you know?
You know what? That's true. We got a point.
Take the jetpack, and then let's go crazy. You see, sometimes if you put a chair on top of you, it's gonna be like this. Do not touch sometimes. If you want to see part 2 of build, guys, if you want to see part 2 of build a boat, if you want to see more glitch, comment down below. What, brother?
Hey, Becky, buddy.
What?
Do a split, full sprint, next, okay? Next, you're gonna do a full sprint.
No, I'm on top of you. No, you get the gold first. Let me trap. Oh, he's eating me. Help me. He's hitting me. Help. What? Oh yeah, I got the gold. Guys, give a big thumbs up and comment down below if you want to see a boat glitch part 2. But also, do not use that boat very much because you can get banned sometimes.
Hey guys, my video is not gonna go because I'm not gonna do a video for a long time, not for now.
You know, like 2 weeks you do not make a video. You know, he doesn't like too much Roblox, right? He just loves watching YouTube.
Yeah.
What is your build? What is this build?
Nabil, kat mana ni?
Let's do this boat.
Okay. Jom buat.
And also, you have to talk English, guys, because it's good to you. And then this boat is real cool, right? What? Oh no! Oh yeah, that's right. You think that was impossible? Come up. Hello, I'm over here. Hello, YouTubers. Right on here. Get on the chair. Fly. Woohoo! And just die. No, I built this by my own. Just kidding. I just watching some YouTube and I just watch X Direct. Not X Direct, but you know, Adrianzo 12. I watch it. And he built this boat. You know, guys, you wanna know who has the most gold in the build the boat? You know who is the most? Guys, do you want to know who has the most gold in the whole planet? That's gone. Oh no.
That's train.
Train, how dare you train to eat us? You know, don't cheat, guys. Do not cheat. I'm just making a video for people, you know, who is just poor, like my brother. He can use that boat. You know. Yeah, I have a star code for real. Use star code master.
Master, I used code Apple.
Just I do not even have a star code. Maybe a few
I know.
Maybe a few years I have star code. Just for the future.
When we have 1,000 of subscribers, we have 1,000,000 subscribers.
What? Are you serious? I have 10 billion subscribers.
Sorry.
You look at my face. It's real funny. You look at my face. In the real face and the fake face. I don't have any face. Whoa. I need to. Do not cheat, guys. Just play. Who just spark and grind. I don't know, but first build. This is my first boat build ever. Just kidding. It's not my first boat. It's my ugly boat.
This looks cool, but it's ugly.
Of course it's ugly. Don't say it's cool. Do not say it's cool. It's real bad, like trash.
If you wrote this in the comments, you're gonna be alone, babe.
Hey, who just come in our house? Hey, someone just come to my house.
My name is Carrie.
No. Wait. I shouldn't do this. I should put like 1,000,000 rockets. I should put like 2 more rockets at my side. It's gonna run out really fast. Oh my god, the car's so hard. I do not even know the car's so hard. But just fly, guys. Just fly. No, do not fly. And then, no, do not fly. Just go to front and roll and turn around.
That's a butterfly.
No!
It's a butterfly.
Wow, that's a big butterfly. It's flying at the home, guys. What is happening to this boat? Come on, boat.
Finish bag, man. The bag goes.
Just fly, boat. We can do this, boat. I have to put like 2 more rockets. Wait, what?
This is not a boat. This is a car.
Car slash boat. Easy peasy.
Comment down below.
Comment down below what will you name this boat. I will name it car slash boat. Your car slash rocket. Mine is car slash boat. Because it's a build boat. Bringing on car. Why do you have to fly? Just roll. Because our rocket is gone. Roll. Just roll until the end of the show. You know, guys, when I die. Hey, that guy's shooting Shih at us. Chill. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. Chill, bro, chill. Do not kill us.
It's a lightning bug.
Whoa, no. Heck no. Oh, no. Come on, Rain. It's me.
No.
We're gonna survive, but not anymore. No, my chair! No! My doors! My chair! How we gonna survive this? Give me a room. I'm bald! I'm a baldy! No, we have no hairs?
We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it.
No! You see, we are almost at... No!
Yes, I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive.
No! I'm alive! No! Just die! Yes, yes!
We'll make it.
Guys, you know what it's time? I'm gonna end the video right here, guys. If you guys didn't enjoy the video and you guys didn't smash that like button, and I will see you next time. Goodbye. Say bye.
Wait. I want to do something to them.
Bye.